Hi, boys and girls. So today we're going to learn how to add with vertical ones and vertical tens. So this is Lola, and she's going to help us with that today. We're going to go from the beginning. And it says, "Dear students, you will need these materials to learn with Lola today. You will have a whiteboard and a dry erase marker and eraser. And we don't need these today. So just these two things. If you don't have these two things, get a pencil and paper, please. Pause this video and do that now. All right, here we go. Lola says, "Do you remember how we add ones to a two-digit number?" And she says, "Yes, we grouped all of the ones together." So this is how we group the ones. First, we counted the ones. And 6 plus 3 is 9. Next, we counted the tens. And there's 1 10. Sometimes an addition problem is written vertically. Vertically means up and down. Is 3 a 10 or a 1? Yeah, 3 is a 1. So we really need to make sure it goes underneath of the 1. That's how we'll set up our problem. We can put the problem in a place value box to help us. First, let's count the ones. How many ones? So 6 plus 3 is 9. 6, 7, 8, 9. Next, let's count the tens. How many tens are there? There are only 1 10 and 0 ones in this one. So we'll put the 1 down, and it is 1 and a 9. Okay, here's another one. So we put them in the tens and ones again. Let's count the ones. 5 plus 2, 5, 6, 7. 7 ones. And we're going to count the tens now. How many tens are there? 1, 2. 2 tens. You ready to try it now? Get your whiteboard and your marker ready. First, let's count the ones. 4 plus 2 is 6. 4, 5, 6. Good. Next, let's count the tens. How many tens are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 tens. 46. Okay, let's try another one. Erase your whiteboard, and you're going to write this problem on your whiteboard now. So 2 and a 4 plus 5. 24 plus 5. First, let's count the ones. 5 plus 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 ones. And how many tens are there? 1, 2. 2 tens. So put the 2 down at the bottom. 29. 24 plus 5 is 29. You ready to try it again? Get your whiteboard ready. Okay, write this problem down. 42 plus 5. I want you to write it exactly what it looks like on this board. First, let's add the ones. What is 5 plus 2? 5, 6, 7. 7, good. That's right, 2 plus 5 is 7. There are 7 ones. Next, let's count the tens. How many tens are there? 4, yes, so 4 plus 0 is 4. Fantastic. Okay, now we're going to do one What happens if we don't have the place value box in here? What should we do? We could draw a line to separate the tens and the ones. Great idea. So this is what I want yours to look like. First, we're going to add the ones. We always start on the right side and add the ones. How many ones are there? Write down. 2 plus 2 is 4. There are 4 ones. Next, let's count the tens. 6 plus 0 is, how many tens are there? 6, 64. Good. All right. Let's get your whiteboard ready again. Write this one down. And what are we going to do? We're going to draw a line down the middle. First, let's add the ones. 4 plus 3. 4, 5, 6, 7. How many ones? 7 ones. Yep, 3 plus 4 is 7. There are 7 ones. Now we're going to add the tens. 5 plus 0 is what? We have 5 and we add no more, and we have how many? 5. Good. Last one. Write this down on your whiteboard. 94 plus 2. And we're going to put our line down the middle. First, let's add the ones. 4 plus 2 is 6. There are 6 ones. Next, let's count the tens. How many tens are there? 9 plus 0 is 9. Good. Okay, so that is how we do it with a 2-digit number and a 1-digit number. Now we're going to look at how we do it with 2-digit and 2-digit. Okay, so we're going to add tens now. All right. This is what you'll need today, a whiteboard and a dry erase marker. So use what you just used. Okay, so we're going to look at this one. 16 plus 20. Do you remember how we added tens to a 2-digit number? Yes, we counted all the tens together. First, we counted the ones. So there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 ones. Next, we counted the tens. How many tens are there? 1, 2, 3 tens. 36. Okay, now let's try this. Oh, now they're showing it to you. How to add when the problem is written vertically. So we want to put it on top of each other. Vertically means up and down. We used this strategy when we practiced adding ones just a few minutes ago. We can use the same strategy to add tens. First, let's count the ones. How many ones are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 plus 0 is 6. Next, let's count the tens. How many tens are there? 1, 2, 3. 2 plus 1 is 3. 36. Okay, let's try another one. And these are not ones that you're writing on your board yet. You're just watching me right now. Let's try another one. First, let's count the ones. How many ones are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 plus 0 is 5. Okay, next let's count the tens. Count all the tens together. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2 plus 2 is 4. There are 4 tens. All right, now you're going to try it. Get your whiteboard ready. You're going to write this one down. 42 plus 30. Okay, 42 plus 30. Write that down. First, we're going to count the ones. So how many ones are there? 1, 2. You're going to write a 2 down here. 2 plus 1 is 2. Next, we're going to count the tens. How many tens are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 tens. Okay, 4 plus 3 is 7. Let's try another one. Erase your whiteboard. We're going to write 36 plus 40. Okay, first we're going to look at the ones. The ones is on the right side. How many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 ones. 6 plus 0 is 6. And then we're going to count the tens. Let's count them from here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 tens. And look at that. 3 plus 4 is 7. Great job. If we didn't have the cubes, we could still just add the numbers from the columns together. Let's try it without the cubes this time. So write this one on your board. 23 plus 50. Now we're going to look at the ones first. Remember, this side is the ones. 3 plus nothing. 3 plus 0 is 3. Very nice. Now we're going to look at the tens. What is 2 plus 5? 2 plus 5. 5, 6, 7. 7 tens. 2 plus 5 is 7. All right, let's do another one. Write this one down. 42 plus 20. We're going to look at the ones first. How many ones are there? 2 plus 0. 2. Very nice. Now we're going to count the tens. 4 plus 2. 4, 5, 6. Good. Fantastic. Now we're going to do it without the tens. Remember, it's the same thing. If we don't have the place value box, it's still the same. What should we do though? We need to draw a line to separate them. Okay, so I want you to draw this just like this, 52 plus 20, and draw that line down the middle. Now we're going to add the ones on the right side. 2 plus 1 is 2. Very nice. Now we're going to add the tens. 5 plus 2. 5, 6, 7. How many tens? 7. 72. Okay, we're going to do another one. Here we go. I want you to write this down. 33 plus 20. Now, what do we need down the middle? If you know, do it now. Don't forget to draw that line. Now we're going to add the ones. 3 plus 0 is 3. Very nice. And now we're going to add the tens. 3 plus 2. 3, 4, 5. 5 tens. Very nice. Last one. Okay, you write it now. 58 plus 40. And what do we need down the middle? What do we need down the middle? Draw a line. Okay, now we're going to look at the right side. Always the ones first. 8 plus 0 is how many ones? 8. Now we're going to count the tens. 5 plus 4. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 tens. 98. All right, I hope this video is helpful in how you add. Remember, you are stacking them on top of each other and you're putting that line down the middle, and it makes it so much easier, just smaller problems, just like that. Now you will get on Boom Learning and you will do a deck that has these kind of problems in it.